This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is an OnGuard Beast padlock that I estimate to be around 15 to 20 years old. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you may recall that I featured the current version of this lock in videos 585 and 586. And this lock has the dubious distinction of being one of the few locks I have ever tested that can be disassembled while still locked. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. Thankfully, the older version doesn't seem to share that problem. In fact, I'm not sure if this one comes apart at all, at least non-destructively. As far as pick resistance goes, it appears to have a very ordinary disc detainer core. I believe it's 8 or 9 discs and no false gates. So, let's see what it takes to pick this open. The first thing we're going to do is rotate all of those discs as far clockwise as they will go. Then I'm going to get the pick that Bosnian Bill and I made, pick up disc number 1, and we're going to find disc 2 and get to picking. Okay, nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feels like it's binding. There we go, got a nice click out of 7. Maybe a little something on 8, and nothing on 9. Let's work our way back. Nothing on 6. Nothing on 5. 4 is binding very tightly, got a click there. Nothing on 3. 2 is binding. There we go, click out of 2, and we got this open. So, as you saw, it was not a particularly difficult pick. It certainly could benefit from the inclusion of false gates, and in fact, I believe there was a later version of this lock that did just that. Unfortunately, that one is not made anymore either. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.